So as an architect, when you design and mission-critical applications, you want to design with performance in mind, high availability in mind, and security is in mind. Unfortunately, your boss has completely different idea. He wanted to know how much is it going to cost, and then he's going to know how long is it going to last. Then he has some idea about, can I use this one to get some money out of it by doing some analytics? And when it comes to SQL Server, as an architect, you want to architect your environment that is easily scalable, and it should provide an uncompromising performance capability so the application developers is not going to complain about it. And most of all, you need to make sure you have zero RPO capabilities, so you will not have any data loss for your environment. And of course, you would like to have TCO as well. With HPE SimpliVity, you will have all those capabilities that you can design with performance in mind, scalability in mind, and not only that, high availability as well. And the good news is you can also make your boss happy, because the total cost of ownership using HPE SimpliVity hyperconvergence platform, it makes them smile as well. So you cannot compromise on your environment. Now, let's not believe what I say. I work for HPE. So let's hear about what are the industrial analyses are talking about HPE SimpliVity capabilities. This is what the Forrester Consulting is saying is about 69% savings over your traditional infrastructure using HPE SimpliVity, and also about 30% savings over public cloud by deploying hyperconverged SimpliVity platform. And also, since it has server, storage, and backup, and WAN optimizer, everything compressed in one 2U system, you will have a 10:1 reduction in your infrastructure as well. And also about 55% of the customers use SimpliVity built-in backup. That means they are going to retire their legacy backup appliance and software as well, which improve their TCO as well. Not only that, about 91% of the customers, they do not have to worry about managing their environment. So they can focus on their time, 91% of the time, in doing new things, which is going to help your boss assign more tasks for you as well. And the third one is, with SimpliVity, it can scale up to thousands of VMs, and you can rapidly deploy your VMs as well. Also, you can deploy 8-node cluster in about 1 hour in your environment as well. When it comes to backup capabilities, about 82% of the customers have significantly improved their backup with their built-in capabilities. And about 57% of their customers, they have reduced their RPO time from days to minutes, and some of them are in seconds. Now I talk about what the industrial analysis is talking about it. Now I'm going to give you the real performance data that it really can scale well. First, I'm going to talk about scale-up capabilities with HPE SimpliVity. You can scale up from 2 CPU to 16 gig RAM to 32 vCPU with 256 gig of RAM. And you can see it doubles those performance as we add double the resources as well. So you can scale linearly with HPE SimpliVity platform. Likewise, you want to do scale out as well. So we have a 2+2 cluster capability. 2+ is 2 active and 2 standby. With that, you will have about 14,000 TPS performance capabilities. And when you add or double the active nodes, you can double the performance with 28,000 TPS as well. So with SimpliVity, you can linearly scale up and scale out for your SQL Server environment as well. You need to have your disaster recovery capabilities, because it's very critical to have a high availability solution for your environment. So what we have is backup capabilities. When we talk about backup, is the disaster recovery, is replication. With few clicks, you can do an application consistent disaster recovery point-in-time capabilities, which is built in to the vCenter server. So you do not have to have your own management capabilities. You can do about 7 steps. You will have an application consistent backup to a remote data center. With RapidDR is another application that we use to fail over your entire data center. With RapidDR, you have the option to fail over multiple VMs. You can re-IP the environment, and we can bring it up without just one click. And finally, SQL Server Always On, which provides synchronous and asynchronous capabilities. With SQL servers built into HPE SimpliVity capabilities, you can deploy SQL Server Always On top of the SimpliVity environment, where you can do synchronous replication between 2 campus sites, as well as asynchronous between 2 data centers across 2 continents. So you will have different disaster recovery capabilities that meet your RPO and RTO with a built-in SimpliVity disaster recovery solution as well. And many customers want to do a CI/CD pipeline. What they would like to do is they would like to clone their production environment, and they would like to use that for their test dev environment. And with SimpliVity, we guarantee that you can clone 1 terabyte VM in less than 1 minute. So by probably your SQL Server environment is maybe 2 or 3 terabytes, it'll take minutes to deploy or give it to the test dev environment. So your test dev CI/CD pipeline make it much more simpler and easier as well. Not only that, we also have plugins that you can use it in conjunction with your Chef or Puppet and Ansible playbook to automate all the process as well. So we have several resources available with HPE SimpliVity. So with HPE SimpliVity, you not only have to compromise on your performance and scalable capabilities, you can also make your manager happy with total cost of ownership as well.